So what's up, friends? I'm Alex with Stucco Done Right, showing you another episode of flashing installation. So today we're installing head flashing. Look at this, head flashing. And then we're installing the casing, drainage flashing above the windows. And then look at this little channel. Boom, so it drains the water outside. I mean, it's just, look at this. Head flashing, boom, down, and then here. Doesn't get much better than this, folks. Competition. Should start checking out our videos. Because the reason why we are doing this is because we removed the entire system from this house because it had a lot of moisture damage, and I mean a lot. So we've been repairing it for a week, and today we finally start with the flashing. We again here, glass black windows, well, plastic glass, but you know, glass black windows. Yeah, look at this flashing. Look, it steps, goes like this. This one overlaps. Instead of having the channel up, now we're kind of encouraging it to go down, because it's gonna eventually fall down right here. Whoa. Damn. I just dropped a roll of vegeting. Because I was looking at the wall and I wasn't looking where I was walking. I'll go get it. Here we have Mauricio. Going at it. And in Spanish would be dándole chingazos. We'll be like, yes, we are doing everything very well. We're doing everything professionally. And in Spanish would be, estamos haciendo todo el puro chingazo, nos está quedando el pedo. That's very good. Sorry, ooh, a little bit of a slope there. I just hit myself here. I don't have a hard hat, so that hurt. Cool. We're making some pretty good progress. Very good progress. And we have a lot of windows. Like, here's the head flashing. No flashing on these ones yet, as you can see. No flashing yet. We only have the ice and water shield. Well, they call it the portal flash, but I mean no metal flashing. That's kind of what I meant. Alrighty, folks, well, thanks for watching another one of our episodes of Stucco Done Right. I am Alex with Stucco Done Right. Thank you.